Yes, previous class we have completed, and today we'll start securities. Transaction manager. I'll go for securities. So basic settings, currency units are standard only. Define exchanges. There are so many exchanges. We can use any one of it. Okay, what are these? So many things are there. NSE. There, okay, we'll use NSE. Security price types, there are almost all standard only: spot rate, opening price, bid price, ask price, closing price. So this is their standard. We can use that one. So then master data. When we go to master data, product types, here define number range for security class. This is the number range for what we use for security. This is at client level. So already someone has done external. Oh, we will try to create our one. 0, 1 and from 1 to a 1000. Interval overlaps. Oh, external number range. This is the thing. Okay, we'll change it. 1001. This is the additional number range in security class. Conditions, condition groups, assign condition. These all are standard only, but we'll see just 100.
Now, what is this number range? It's only for the securities class, or it goes
Security
for the
class.
entire?
Only security class. See, when we want to create any securities, any transaction, for any product types, we need to maintain separate number range for security account class, which is a master data. Here we have two master data: one security class ID and then business partner.
Okay.
Condition groups and all these all are standard. Okay, for stocks, what is the condition? This is the condition. Assign condition group to condition groups. So for stocks, we have created condition type 111 and accrued interest or dividend, bonus, dividend. These are the created other things. Only standard are 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, these all are standard only. This is the condition type. Sequence number required or suppressed, just we'll keep it as a percentage raise and all the things. We won't require all the things. Only immediate settlements, settlement according to condition, or these are settlement and due date and other things will come, for which it is not required for securities. So for equity, these all are standard only. We won't create anything. Here define product types. So product type 01. Here for it we need to maintain. So product category, these all are standard. So ISIN is the number. So number range. Here we need to maintain the separate number range. This number range is for we'll create our this one 01 security ID. Okay, for product type security class ID which we have created 01. This number range we need to assign in the product type, except everything is standard. We can go with the standard only. Only number range we need to maintain here. Here, the new additional step when we compared with money market, here we have to assign company code as well as product type. Define product types. Product types we have already created. Assign repayment types for product type. This is also standard. Have full repayment in installment, perpetual bonds and other things. These all are standard. We cannot create anything. Oh, sorry. Oh. Settings for immediate IP generation and other things relating to when we have integration with Bloomberg or something. So then define, this is the additional steps which we won't see in money market. Define company code dependent settings for product type. This is company code level. Select new entries. So product type 01A. First we are saying settings for cash management will come here. Planning type and CM period. Posting control. Automatic posting. Settings for accounting. This is same. Actual records in subledger posting without customer. Here define general classification for securities. There will be some standard which has come along with the SAP. So here if you want, we can have any specific client specific these things we can create here. This will be useful at the time of creating class ID, security class ID.
So this is for, again, to be clear, so this is for securities as an investment, not for
this is
not for issuing stocks on your own.
No, not for issuing stocks,
Okay.
only on investments.
Okay. So will this also integrate with trading platforms and
Yeah, everything. It's also included.
can we that means to say, is the transaction manager powerful enough for me to set buy sell orders and
Yeah, buy sell everything. Transaction manager will buy sell. Then we'll come to transaction
no,
types.
what I mean to say is, let's take a trading platform like FXall. Can I issue my commands in FXall and will it integrate with transaction manager and then do the commands, or do I need to issue it in SAP and then it will reflect in FXall? Where is the beginning?
See, there is a if you are integrating with platform, just Bloomberg or router, you have an option. See, one thing, just it will integrate and update the prices. You can make you can make transactions. Or else another second method is directly you can update the price in security class. From there, it will take to transaction. That auto integration we can do it.
No. You're not understanding my question. My question was, I understand what you said about data updation, market price, price of the stock, all those getting updated. That part I understand.
Okay.
My question is, where do you initiate the transaction? Do you initiate the transaction, let's say in a Bloomberg terminal? Will that connect internally to our SAP transaction manager and issue the command? Or do we issue it in SAP transaction manager and that will connect to Bloomberg automatically? Which is the way?
See, both ways. See, one thing, directly update the price, or else even you can automate the entire pricing updation as well as the transaction. You can do it automatically till the TBB1. You need to execute
Okay.
only TBB1. Directly it will create financial transaction also.
Okay. Okay.
See,
Okay.
in
Understood. Thank you.
securities we have to update the first of all, first we need to create security class ID, which is a master data for that particular share equity. Okay.
Okay.
So if you integrate directly, you can uh, make create class ID and then transaction, contract and settlement. Okay.
Okay.
If we want to automate that also, we need to execute, develop some program is there, standard bodies are there for this thing. Just we can update it automatically. The SAP will take into consideration and create class ID, that is which is master data relating to that particular equity, and then it will create transaction and settlement also, both. Then only you need to run execute TBB1 for FI posting. Both are there. Manually you can do it, or automatically you can do it through integration.
Okay. Okay.
It's secondary indices.
Do we
Yeah.
have an automatic connect? I mean, do we have a built-in connector within the system, or is that to be purchased separately?
No, within the system, but when we want to integrate with the third-party tool, anything ICRA or whatever it may be, there will be integration through PI. For that, you have that one, you need to integrate and write a program and do it, or through using IP address or any RFC connection, directly we can do it. Both ways we can do it.
Okay, understood. There is no standard program as such, but it's
Yeah.
basically a web service that we are trying to
See,
use, in
for
other words.
certain, okay, just wait, I'll explain you here without here where we'll update through Excel or anything. Or here we can select the data providers. Bloomberg is there. In standard, we'll have all the standard, the Bloomberg, routers, everything is standard connectors are there, data providers. Straight away, we can connect it through RFC connection.
Okay.
Or else we can manually upload the Excel sheet. So both ways we can do it.
Okay.
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 General classification for securities. The same thing we have discussed. If you want, we can use our specific fund and all, whatever it may be. You will come to know when we go for security creation. There, I'll explain you.
Okay.
Security account management also same. What are the security types? Field selection. These are the standard one. So this is useful when we create a depository account in the master data. There we'll select this one. So if it is all investments, this thing, bond issue and all the things, we need to select this liability security. That I'll, so if you want to maintain any specific field selections, we can do it our company code wise field selections. So as of now, I am going with, okay, I will go ahead the demo. Demo is not there. Company code demo. So if you want, we can select field selection. So field selection control, we can do it. General data, bank data, additional data. If you want the field secured or optional entry, or you can make it required entry. This is the field selection for security class set. Position indicator here. Define generation of securities account position indicator. These all are standard only. Subledger positioning. If you want, it will come. If you want, we can control this thing directly. We can give the subledger position for all OTC transaction, all types of securities. It will come. Okay, just I'll show you original. What is that? Transaction management, product group, securities, accounting code demo. If you want to maintain automatically or both automatically and manual, that I'll do it. This doesn't have a much indicator for these things. So this is the product types we have maintained. Then we'll need to enter into transaction management. Same transaction, define number ranges for transactions. 4 is there, so we'll create 5. This is the number range for transaction. This is underlying transaction. As of now, I am not touching this underlying transactions. Define rounding rule and define transaction types. Transaction type 100 for purchase, 200 for sale. Here we need to maintain the number range for our transactions. And then payment details, if you want standing instructions to only from standing instruction or securities, that we can, based on our requirement from the client, we can maintain here. So from here, money market transaction types and whatever the we have created and done, flow types, update types, similar to money market only. Here flow types. Define flow types for securities. Same 100 purchase, 200 sale.
Yeah, these should be standard, right?
Yeah, 100, 100 and 100, 200 is standard. This is purchase, other purchase quantity, purchase payment. These are someone has created that one. Okay. Assign flow types to transaction types to securities. So 0, 1, what is the purchase, brokerage, other charges all are there, sale. So interest, income tax, refundable tax, commission. These are our charges only. This we can, from here, we can create if you want our any brokerage capitalized or not capitalized and other things. These are the standard. If you want any specific charge, we can create here. Derived flow is for taxation. Update type, same, similar. Same thing will come here. Standard, if you remember. Assign flow types to update types. These all are standard. If we create any customized flow type, then here we need to update that one.
Okay.
Or otherwise, all are standard only. Assign general valuation plus for security transactions. Okay, someone has created equity fair value through. So many things are there. Cash and cash equivalent depends on the accounting standard wise we can do it. So we can do it as of now. I am taking as a long-term investment. That anyhow we can change it at the time of making transactions. Settings for company code. This is also not required. Not required for us as of now. Then position management. Here security account management. Same update types will come here. It's same standard everything. Condition types, we are not doing anything. Security account management also, I am not maintaining anything as of now. External securities account statement. Here, this is, it will come from the external sources. If you want, we can use it. Security account transfers, that also I'll do it later on. When we enter into mutual funds, from one fund to other fund, how to transfer that, it will come here. Corporate action also, uh, when we have, when we get the corporate actions, when we have any rights issue of our investments, then it will come into picture. Corporate actions, I'll deal it separately. Okay.
Okay.
Right now, we don't want to enter and get confused. This is the first part is completed. Next, in general settings, we need to do position management procedure and other things. So, accounting, settings for position management procedure. Here, define position management procedure. We'll see whether standard is available or else we need to maintain our own. Bonds issuance, bonds investment, amortization, equity, I don't think it is there. Use gap also not there. Derivatives, this is HPP means securities amortization is not available. Okay, we can take this one. 9983. There is no amortization for equities. When we deal with bonds and other things, then only amortization comes into picture. So we'll take 9983. Security valuation, market to market P&L. So shares, when we want to update the equity price and we want to value at the period end closing or anything, what is our value, then we'll go for security valuation. And we'll need to update the price in security class, and then that I will come. Okay, only this thing we'll take it. So assign position management procedure. Select new entries, accounting code demo, product type 01A, and then 9983. Save. Then here key date valuation, go security valuation procedure. We have selected this one, market to market P&L. So rate price type 01 he has taken. That means 01 is the spot rate. NPV type, if you want to calculate NPV, we can use that one. Write up market value, write down market value. As of now, this is enough for us for equities. Then we need to go to link to other accounting components. Define account assignment reference. So whether we have standard one or we need to create, that will say. So 1000 investment in shares. Actually, it should be in different way. So we'll take 1001, or we can create our own. Loans transaction shares, this is the standard one, 50,100. So we'll take this one only, 50,100 as our account assignment reference. Here define account assignment reference for securities. Previously we have done in this step for money market for all OTC transactions. Now we need to create this move. Here we'll create one move. Our constant the shares, we can take it. Constant 50,100. Target field is account assignment reference. Condition will give product type equal to 01A. Then we need to go for define account determination for treasury and risk management. Here we need to assign this thing. What is the posting specification? That so first we'll go to update type. Update type SC1000. Purchase and SC2000. So this is the 11,100 is the posting specification. Position to bank clearing. One here.
What is the posting specification?
This is the which account is to be debited, which account is to be credited while posting to FI. When we execute TBB1 for posting treasury transactions, posting to FI. Okay. So here someone has made it 3.1. I'll take it 3 only. Now we need to create one GL account for account determination. Demo in asset class. So Bank of America 10,100, 400 I will take. 400. Balance sheet account group, assets. So I'll take it. Okay, equity shares, I can take it. Control data, balances in local currency, open item management. This one, create bank interest G01. So chart of accounts not defined. Okay, this is something. Something we have created. So now 40 debit, position 1 we need to assign GL accounts. 3 it is there, and then create new entries. Account symbol 1. Account assignment reference 50,100. GL account. Yeah, this is configuration is over. Then we need to have, if you want to make any financial transaction in under securities, any equities or bonds issue, investment in bonds, zero coupon bonds, mutual funds, everything, we need to have 3 business partner roles. So we have one business partner with the BP role as a counterparty. We need to create business partner for issuer as well as depository bank. Depository bank is nothing but our demat account number. So we can extend the existing counterparty partner for these two roles, or else we can create separate. Issuer is one separate, and depository bank is separate. So what happens? System slow.
Yeah, yesterday
One,
also they had it was pretty slow.
yeah. See, why this business partner counterparty is for financial transactions. Okay. At the
Mm-hmm.
time of creation of security class ID, there we require the issuer.
Mm.
And then for maintaining depository account, depository role of a business partner, depository bank, there we require the, when we go for security, this is security class ID is different. There we have issuer and security account is there. When we go for security account, which is nothing but demat account, there we require depository bank account. So first I'll extend this same business partner which we are using HSBC. So how our BP role is we have this one counterparty. So the same counterparty we can change and execute, extend to the different roles. Where is this? TR0150, where is it? TR0150 is the issuer. Here we need to demo company and SI authorizations. So we need to give him for securities also. Save it. So here also we need to check that TR10151. This is the issue with our. So here also it is there. Okay. Now we need to extend this to TR0152. That is depository account. Here we don't have any company code and all the things. TR10152 depository bank. Just save it. So we have created one business partner with the three different roles. One is counterparty, second one is issuer, third one is depository bank account. Now we'll go back and first we'll create security account TRS underscore SEC. Sorry. SEC is the T code, but we'll go with. Here hierarchy, so many people created. So we'll create a security account. Create security account. So I'm creating some HSBC only. I'll take it as our depository bank demat account holder. Security ID HSBC. Then security account type is investment AKT. Depository bank account you need to maintain the business partner account. If you are using specific different accounts for different types of investments, then we need to maintain the clearing account of that bank account. Here, this thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you want to enter, okay, I'll take you the next master data is the security account class ID for each of our investment type. Securities master data. This is the class ID, FWJD. So create product type 01A, short text. Okay. We are investing in some shares, say take it of okay, we'll take it as a HSBC shares only. See, HSBC equity. Then create here. Then start here general classification which we have seen. What is the bond fund or corporate fund or equity fund? That we can take. If you know, we can maintain the ISIN number for that particular shares. For each of these things, will have ISIN number. So if you want to give rating, you can maintain the rating here. So go to
but
basic.
Those things don't get updated, right?
Yeah. No.
It's manual updation.
Ratings also, when we have integration, we can maintain that also, ISIN number and everything. Ratings also will update from the Bloomberg.
Okay.
How you want to, which are the things? Issue currency is INR. Issue start date, we can give it, or else if you are buying in this secondary market, we can forget about it. Unit quoted, security type, bearer security, stock category, common stock, stock form, conditions and all the things won't come here for equity. Then exchanges. If we won't maintain the exchange, we cannot update the price. So market price updation from here, we can do it, market data updation. Or else directly also we can do it. So FW18 is the transaction code. Here date, price type, price rate and all the things we will maintain at the time of period end closing. If you want to see. When it is bonds, we will have conditions and frequencies. We need to maintain all the things. Due date and frequency of interest and all the things. Next, when it comes to dividend, then we can maintain, we'll come back and maintain here. This is also directly we can update through integration. Dividend when it comes to dividend. Okay. So we have all the 3 business partners, class ID we have, everything we have. So now we can go for financial transaction, TS01. Transaction type 100, we are buying this thing. So, okay, another thing I forget to maintain this thing, explain this thing, just, okay, we'll go for it. So price updation, whether it will take, we have discussed in the last session also, whether it is weighted average or FIFO method and all the things.
True.
So define and assign differentiation. Here we need to select assign terms as a portfolio. Assign differentiation. Here we need to maintain new entries. Oh, I'll delete this one. That is empty. Sometimes it will give so much issues. Validation area, accounting code. Validation area also, if you want, we can maintain, or else we can directly go to accounting code, and differentiation procedure is will maintain securities. Portfolio means if you maintain portfolio at the time of creation of risk analyzers, market risk analyzer, and credit limiters, there will have some clash with the portfolio. So better to select security account here. So
What
next,
is the clash?
Which one?
You said in risk analyzers we will have a clash, right? What is the clash?
Portfolio. See, risk analyzer depends on portfolio, where we maintain in transaction level also portfolios. So based on our requirements and of the market risk analyzers or credit risk analyzers, we need to consider securities. At the same time also, while making portfolios, for example, I'll tell you. So we have fixed term deposits. So client wants to differentiate in that this thing, deposits, general deposits, and specific deposits for EMDs and all the things. Well, based on the client business. So we want to categorize. Generally, what we'll do, we'll make portfolio general and specific or EMD deposits, so that he can get the report uh, based on the portfolio. But the same portfolio we cannot use in when we use in risk analyzer, the portfolio based on their portfolio difference is different. Here portfolio uh, meaning is different. So that's why keeping in mind of the risk analyzers of the, if we are using, most of the clients won't use risk analyzers. So based on keeping in mind that we'll maintain the portfolios, and there we need to maintain separate fields for that trader, portfolio, company code, and other things. Then that's why I have not touched the portfolio as of now. So I am keeping blank in this while making financial transactions. Okay, I'll show you when it comes to when we are maintaining. So assign consumption sequence procedure. Here, even if we take someone has all are there, okay, we'll maintain FIFO only. We'll see when we make a transaction, whether it is taking FIFO or whether it is taking weighted average method. So as of now, we'll maintain company code demo, consumption sequence, FIFO. Default sequence also, I'll take it as a FIFO. Manual also. Let us see when we come to know settings for product type. So product type means it will restrict to product type file. Setting for portfolio and other things. I am not using this one as of now, product type. Just general for all product types. I am taking it as a FIFO. So now we can go for the transaction. This is the position value. Okay, just I'll take 2 days back. 012024. So calculation date, payment, here we can do it, payment date. 1 day extra or the same date we can maintain it. So generally +1 they will pay, immediately they won't pay. So here number of units, say suppose I am taking 1000 units of HSBC. So at the rate of, say for example, 100. Okay, contract date. Contract date. Okay. As of now, I am not maintaining any trader. We'll maintain trader and portfolio. We'll discuss separately. Administration. Long-term investment. Here, portfolio is there. So based on the portfolios, based on keeping at the time of making blueprint itself, we'll get the clarity of the portfolio. Then we'll maintain accordingly the portfolio, keeping in mind of the risk analyzers. Okay.
Thank you. Yes.
Cash flow, purchases. So then payment details. Just check it. We'll system is very slow today. Create automatically. It is asset liability indicators. So someone has activated the analysis structure, but not completely done. Okay. Environment, whether it is taking correct or not, that will check it. Your position management procedure, we have taken 9983. Or 9983. Account assignment reference also is picking separate. Ours is 50,100. Check results and transfer data. So then settle it. 4,001 is our transaction. Is a posting log. Okay. I'll remove the test run and execute posting. So we'll make a quick transaction, another transaction, another two transactions. So TS01. So same 100. 26. So same, so suppose 1,000 only I will take. Then 110 price I will take. Payment date is also same. So date, contract date. 26. 26. Okay. Just will make cash flow outgoing. Save it. We'll post it, and then we'll make one sale transaction. Six. Let's run, execute. So now, 1,000, and it's two different rates we have taken. Okay, then we'll make one sale transaction for the same ID. Okay, 29/1 only. I'll take it today's date. So I'll sell it for 1,500 at rate of 120. Okay, just I'm checking whether it is taking average rate or FIFO rate. Administration, okay, same. Payment details. So plus, this is incoming.
Yesterday I checked in another thing. It was taking average.
Average, eh?
Yeah.
Then we need to apply some notes. So in the same system you have done, or in your?
Yeah. No, in the same system.
Okay, then it is taking average. It's okay. That we cannot help it. It's average. So generally, you try it in your sandbox system.
Okay.
Okay. Though we have selected posting log, some errors. What are the errors? Okay, 4.992. So it's a profit. So we need to create another GL for it.
Okay.
I'll create one GL 4922 and assign it 00. So revenue 4,100. Create 400, 200. We'll take it. So primary cost of revenue, account group, revenue. Okay, I'll get gain by loss. We will maintain for both these things, gain or loss. Okay, one GL line of and equity. Full data. Start key and this thing. Yeah, cost element category 11, I think. 11 revenues. So here when G029 revenue accounts. Save it. Then we'll go here. Content items. Define demo. Select new entries. Oh, sorry. 4.9.2. Percent 100 GL account. What happened? Cost account error. So we need to do it. Okay, B9. So for this, we can write one default account assignment reference, additional also every time based on the account assignment reference combination that we can do it. That I'll explain you later on. Okay.
Okay.
Price gain. So 22,500. So how it took average only it is taking. It's taking average. That will check it whether it is taking average or how it is taking. In TPM,
yesterday I was very sure it took average.
Yeah, that we can check it and okay, we remove test run and execute it. The details we can see it in TPM 13. Okay. All flows will be available there.
Okay.
So ID number 1, HSBC. Okay, we'll execute it. Translation of purchase price. This is 157,500 it took. So it is the average only. 100 on 10, 105. If you take average is 105. 105 into what we can do? 1200 or 1500 we have taken. Na? Here calculator is there. Oh, server manager it is going. We have okay. 1500 into okay, we have our average of 105. Average it is taking, not on FIFO. Yeah, it is taking average only.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, today I will close the session here. Tomorrow we'll make what we will update the we'll make a valuation of security, this equity. And we'll update the price, market price, and then we'll evaluate one the thing, and then next topic we'll go for bonds. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you just
Thanks,
go through
Ravi.
the bonds, amortization and all the things. That's all. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Thanks, Ravi. Thanks.
All right. Thank you.